Hey, what is going on, guys? Today we are playing Car Driving School. We have not played this yet on this channel. Oh, we're back at PCL. If you ever wonder why my voice on these videos is quite deep, it's because I edit the videos and I lower my pitch when I'm editing. Sorry for the watermark at the top right. It's just, I know this sounds stupid, but I cannot be bothered to pay 10 quid just to remove that watermark from each one of my videos. So I'm not paying to get premium. Sorry. I mean, at least you guys can use KineMaster, and then they might credit me for something. I don't know. The screen record. So I'm using KineMaster. Obviously, if you saw that intro, that was my first ever intro I've ever made, because I actually could be bothered. I actually had some space still on my phone to oh my god, I should just stop talking, because we're a minute and 40 seconds into the video and I haven't even told you what we're doing. Okay, so we're pretending we're just doing like a taxi thing. Anyway, let's stop doing the over talk and get into the actual audio. See you in the next video, guys. Bye. Okay, so oh my god, I keep crashing. Jeez, I'm going so fast. I was going like 90 kilometers an hour. Let's turn left. Let's go to the parking. I'm also pretending that these yellow parking spots for the taxis. I'm a taxi. So okay, let's go backwards for a sec. So I have to park in these. I cannot park in a normal parking spot, because then that means I'm not a taxi. Whew. I might go back to turn those wipers off quickly. I might go back to Pixel Gun videos. It depends. We'll have to change accounts again. Yeah. I'll try. Oops. I'll try for the next episode. Jeez, stupid luck. I'll try for the next episode. To. Well, that was a nice turn. Oh god. Luckily, I didn't even skim that car. For the next video, I'm gonna try go back. I'm gonna try go back to Pixel Gun, guys. I'm sorry. I know I really should go back to Pixel Gun, but let's stop talking about Pixel Gun. Let's get right into this. I mean, we're already in it. Okay, we're 3.5 minutes in. That's not bad, actually. I think I'm gonna record for about 7 minutes, maybe. I don't have too much time. I only have like 4 minutes left to record. I have about 5 actually. Yeah, I've got 5 minutes left to record. Oh, that, see, one of those yellow parking spots. Oh, let's go here because God, let's go down here actually. Go. Oh wait, do you think I can go through the gate so it's not like an actual object? Nope, screw that. Let's just go. It's not good. You can't get into somebody's house. Okay, let's turn left here. Just drop this person off quickly. Okay, let's check who the next person is. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Why is that upgrade sign going green, red, green, red? Okay, stop crashing. Turn left. Yeah, let's turn left. I want to go to that upgrade place. Actually, do I? Oh, red light. God's sake. Oh no. Well, oh no, it's green. Okay. Okay, let's turn left. Barely did that. Oh. Please don't crash. Oh my god, I crashed. Stop crashing. No. Okay. Looking for a yellow parking spot to pick this next person up. No. But let's go to the upgrades place. Why am I putting my blinkers on? No, I don't need the blinkers. Upgrades. Does that actually work? Can you actually, like, get upgrades? No, you can't. Let's just find a good spot for me to go in. Just, like, that is big enough. Or probably, I'd probably say it has to be yellow. No yellow parking spots. I think I know where I'm gonna go. Don't crash into people because you instantly have to restart. Oh god, I keep crashing. Let's go backwards. Make sure to not hit anything again. I'm gonna scream right into the mic. I'm sorry. Skip like 20 seconds forward and you'll be back. Okay, it's finished, guys. I did it. I already screamed. Jeez, it was quite an aggressive turn. Turn right. Oh my god. God. Let's turn left. Nice. Come on, there's got to be a yellow parking spot. There has to. Oh, we're actually quite high. Oh god. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, we're going left. Oh god. Ooh, yellow parking, yellow parking. Okay, you know what, guys? I don't think I can get off here. I guess I'm just gonna go. Bye.